Hello and welcome to another video from East Coast Fibreglass Supplies. In this video we're going to be making a GRP drilling jig. Using a jig like this eliminates the need to manually measure and mark out the drill hole position, which saves time when you have multiple GRP parts coming off a production line. The jigs also reduce errors, scrap and rework, speeding up and increasing production. We start by lining the area we're going to fiberglass with some aluminium tape, and then we mark our drill hole position. Next we apply some mould release wax lightly onto the aluminium tape and buff off the excess. We then apply a gel coat. Once that gel coat is cured, we apply a couple of layers of 450 gram chopped strand mat with polyester resin, adding a further 2 layers just in the area where we're going to install our jig bushes. This gives a little added strength to that specific area. Once the fiberglass has cured and we've trimmed the jig to the shape we want, we can highlight that marked area. We're going to drill a small pilot hole through the mark. Taking our jig bush fitting and some digital calipers, we measure the outside diameter, in this case just over 11 millimeters. We're going to drill the hole at 11.5 millimeters, just slightly bigger than the outside diameter of the bush. Then, after popping the jig back in place, we start to position our jig bushes. Using a strong adhesive such as Araldite or thick epoxy, we secure the jig bushes in place. Put enough adhesive on so that it comes up the jig bush slightly. This will give you a more secure bond as the adhesive holds to the serrated edges. Now our finished jig can be used to speed up our drilling process. Our jig ensures the exact same position for our drill holes every single time. Thanks for watching. All materials shown here are available from our website. Be sure to follow all safety precautions and wear appropriate PPE when handling materials. More information on this can be found on our website in the product safety data sheets. If you've got any comments or suggestions, please let us know in the comments. Have a great day.